Now, I'm sure most of y'all already know how to make tuna salad, but in case you don't, here's a video on how to, because the way I do it is delicious. Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Today I am making tuna salad, a quick, simple lunch for me, the husband, and these kids, okay? It ain't gonna take me long. I got some sweet relish. I like Miracle Whip. We like Miracle Whip. You can use mayo if you want to, but this has a little bit of sweetness to it. Makes it taste great because I don't have an apple, okay? I have 3 cans here of tuna in water. I'm going to wash those off, drain them, and empty them into my bowl. I have an onion that I'm probably only going to use half, and then I have 3 hard-boiled eggs, okay? And then all you need is some seasoning. Mix it all together. Tuna salad. All right, y'all, let's get started. Okay, y'all, I have my 3 cans of tuna emptied in here. I drained, put it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my 3 eggs. And I just do a rough chop. I don't try to, make them all nice and pretty. Just a little rough chop. I'm making a little bit of a mess, but that's alright. Okay. Cut it in half. I don't want them big, y'all. I don't like taking big hunks of onion. Alright, that's good. Chop some onion up, boom. Put that in there. Now I did half. Depending on how you like onion, you can do a whole. But I'm just showing y'all how I do it. Okay, so I have my onion and eggs in there. That's how we looking. Add about half a cup of sweet relish. Okay. Boom, about half a cup. Oh yeah, I forgot the mustard. Hold on, let me go get mustard. Because you gotta have a little bit of mustard, just a little. Okay. Just a quick little bloom. Okay. Not much, y'all. A little bit. And then we're going to take our Miracle Whip. Again, you can use Miracle Whip or you can use mayo. I'm using Miracle Whip because I like the taste of Miracle Whip. And I'm doing about a cup. Okay? And then we're just going to mix that on up. Easy peasy. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And baby, we got lunch. Now, a lady asked me about making tuna patties when I made the salmon croquettes. If y'all didn't see that video, I'll link it at the end of this one. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try that next. I'm going to try it for you, ma'am. And see how it is. See how they turn out. Let me get a little salt and pepper, y'all. That on up. And that is it, y'all. We have some tuna salad. Now, I'm from Texas. My mom used to make this when I was little because I didn't like to eat a whole lot of different stuff, but I would eat this. And she just asked, do you want some tuna fish? That's what she used to say. She didn't say tuna salad. You want tuna fish? Alright. Y'all, I just tasted it. And it needs a real quick pinch of sugar. Hear me out. I'm not going to make it sweet, but it needs a little, okay? And sugar brings out the flavor and everything. Sugar and salt. Now, y'all don't get me in these comments. I'm just going to put a little bit. A little bit, okay? Just a little bit. That ain't even a tablespoon. Just a little bit. Okay. Now, you can serve this as a sandwich. You can eat it with crackers. However you like. But that's it, y'all. Tuna salad. I'll fix me some with some crackers. Okay. Some for you. For me. It's delicious. And it's easy. So y'all make it. As always, thank y'all so much for watching Ballards by Design, and we'll catch you on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.